Here is question number 3 of our quiz on quadratic functions. It says, determine vertex of the given quadratic function. So we have to find the vertex, correct? Well, the first thing is, copy all these questions. So question 1 is f of x equals to x minus 2 times x plus 5. Part B is g of x equals to x squared minus 2x plus 1. And part C is h of x equals to minus 3x squared plus 5. Now make a copy and try to write down your answers and then check with the video. Okay? Now here let's try to solve them. So the first part A, we have this equation in factored form. So what we will do is we'll find zeros. So zeros are at 2 and minus 5. 2 will make it 0, right? 2 minus 2 is 0. So 2, and minus 5 plus 5 will make it 0. So minus 5, right? Now axis of symmetry is at x equals to, add them, divide by 2. So we get 2 plus minus 5 divided by 2, which will give us a value minus 3 over 2, right? Minus 3 over 2. So we get x value as minus 3 over 2. Now, since we have x value as minus 3 over 2, we could write it in decimals also. We'll write this in decimals for easy calculations. It's minus 1.5. Now, so we got x value as minus 1.5. Now, to find the y value, we can put 1.5 here and say f of minus 1.5 is equals to, I'll write here minus 1.5 minus 2 times minus 1.5 plus 5, right? That will give me, so this becomes minus 3.5 times this minus 1.5 from 5 will give us plus 3.5, correct? Correct? And now we can calculate the answer. So we do 3.5 times 3.5 and we get 12.25 as our answer. So this is equals to minus 12.25, correct? So that is the y value of this, correct? Now the vertexes, the coordinate point x and y value. Therefore we'll write the vertex here as minus 1.5 x value first and then minus 12.25 the y value. Therefore the vertex for this is minus 1.5 minus, that's x value, comma, minus 12.5. Okay, so that's the vertex. I hope you understand the way we found the vertex from the factored form. So find your zeros. The average of zeros will give us the x coordinate of the vertex. Plug in the x coordinate and find the y value at that point. Okay. Now, part B. Here we are given in standard form. In standard form, to find the vertex, we can always use axis of symmetry as x equals to minus b by 2a, correct? And calculate x value. Now here, what is the b value? B is minus 2. So we get minus of minus 2 over 2 times a. A is 1 over 2, which gives us x equals to 1, correct? Now if x equals to 1, then we can plug in this value of 1 here and find g of 1. So g of 1 is 1 square is 1 minus 2, 2 times 1 plus 1, which is 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. So we get 0. So therefore, our vertex for this is x value is 1 and y value is 0. 1, 0, correct? You could have factored also and got your vertex. How? You could write this as, it's a perfect square. 1 times 1 is 1, and when you add minus 1, you get minus 2. So basically, you could write this as x minus 1 whole square, correct? Once you get this, you know your vertex is at 1, 0, correct? Now, the next question. Here, this is a parabola which is shifted 5 units down. You could see this as an equation in vertex form itself, where the vertex is at x value is 0 and the y value is 5. So here we could write our vertex as 0 and 5. Correct? Now let me ask you, here which parabola will open upwards and which will open downwards? If I multiply x and x, I get positive x square. This opens up. Here leading coefficient is positive, it opens upwards. Here the leading coefficient is negative, it opens downwards, right? Opens downwards. Okay, the question was on vertex. So these are our answers for vertex. I hope now you understand how to find vertex from a given quadratic function. Okay, thank you.